horses.
I don't see it.
Move over, but
Right here. We're at the Cabbage Patch.
Hi there. Good, how are you?
Just the property today? Alright, well it's just a self-guided tour. You'll start right around here. It'll lead you through our first hallway.
Okay.
And there, that's where all of our original babies are with the soft puff faces. And then it'll lead you out into our floor where all the rest of our babies are. And if you have any questions, just let one of the nurses know.
Mama, she's so adorable.
I know.
Hey, look at the baby.
Babies have their own doggies. Oh, nice husky. Oh, look at this. Aw, I like you. Mama,
What?
this looks just like Cabbage. Oh, but his face is. We are standing in a line to get Violet adopted.
It is so cool. I used it here for a long time too. This is the first year I'm on. It's kind of feel my heartstrings pulling. Alright, you have one more step before you are completely and fully inherent. We have to take it out. Are you ready? I'm also going to go as fast as I should so we can do it together. Okay, now repeat after me. I promise
I promise
to love my Cabbage Patch Kid
I love to love my Cabbage Patch Kid
with all my heart.
with all my heart.
I promise
I promise.
to be a good and kind parent.
I promise to be a good and kind parent.
I will always remember
I'll always remember
how special
how special
my Cabbage Patch Kid is to me.
my Cabbage Patch Kid is to me.
Hey, you're done. You did it. You are official. You are so official. All right, this is yours. You are now home.
What do you think? Can you tell her thank you?
Excited? Oh, you are so welcome. This is so much fun.
Guys, I just adopted her, and I'm so excited. Her name is Violet.